Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the part 6 of our video series in which we are learning country names in Korean language. That is, the names of all the countries around the world in Korean. In the first two parts of the series, we learned the names of various Asian countries. Then, in the third and fourth part, we learned the names of different European countries. Then in the fifth part, we began learning the Korean names for different African countries. Now, in this part, that is the part 6, let's continue learning the Korean name for various African countries. Okay? So, without wasting any time, let's begin. Here comes the first country, and that is Mozambique. In Korean, it is Mozambique. Mozambique. Now let's see the next one, and that is the Korean word for the country, Seychelles. It is Seychelles, Seychelles. Next comes the Korean word for the country, Benin, and that is Penang, Penang. Now let's move ahead and see the next one, and that is the Korean word for the country, Zambia, and it is Zambia, Zambia. Now comes the next word, and that is for the country Angola. In Korean, Angola, Angola. Here comes the next country, and that is Gabon. In Korean, it is Gabon, Gabon. Here comes the next one, and that is the Korean word for the country Rwanda. It is Rwanda, Rwanda. Now comes the next Korean word, and that is for the country Malawi. Malawi, Malawi. Now let's see how to say Tunisia in Korean. That is Tunisia, Tunisia. Here comes the next African country, and that is Mauritius. In Korean, it is Mauritius, Mauritius. Now let's see how to say Somalia in Korean. That is Somalia, Somalia. Here comes the next African country, and that is Chad. And it is very easy. Chad, Chad. Now let's continue and see the next one, and that is Gambia. In Korean, it is called Gambia, Gambia. Here comes the next country, and that is Mali. In Korean, it is Mali, Mali. Now let's see how to say Central African Republic in Korean, and that is 중앙아프리카 공화국, 중앙아프리카 공화국. Now here, 중앙, it means central. Okay, for Korean, the word for central is 중앙. And Africa in Korean is Afrika. Okay? And republic is called 공화국. Right? So, by combining these three words, we make the Korean word for the country Central African Republic. And it is 중앙아프리카공화국. Okay? You can break down the name into three different parts to remember it more easily. Okay? Now comes the next country, and that is Zimbabwe. And in Korean, it is Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe. And the next one is the Korean word for the country Namibia, and that is Namibia, Namibia. Alright, so in this video, we learned the Korean name for the remaining African countries. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.